Alright, so let's put in GSD and the transformation. And this is what we've got. We've got a little oven we can play with here. But first of all, let's make a set of tubes. And the big thing about these tubes now is that they're on a rack. The other thing is that you move the rack using this thing in the bottom right hand corner, and you have now rack options. So you can change the temperature of the rack. You can label the rack. So to say, and then that's now the label of the rack. Okay, we can get rid of that. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a single tube, and that single tube we're going to put on the rack like we did last time. Let's label this P1 mix. And now let's get a pipette and take 50 microliters of KCM and pipette that into there, and let's also get 1 microliter of P1 and put it into there, and then let's close the lid and we'll just mix that a little bit. Open the lid. Make a new, actually let's go back, make a new pipette and get some cells and put them in, and let's suck those up and down a bit. Okay, now I'm going to make a new rack. And it's going to be an empty rack, but I'm going to change the temperature to 37 degrees, and I'm going to take this tube and I'm going to put it onto this rack here, and that should now start to transform the cells, but it'll take 30 minutes. Let's start the stopwatch. And let's just crank up time a little bit, not too much. Maybe make it go a little bit faster than usual. That's 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Take it up a little bit more. And that's now cooking, transforming. And when we get near to the end, we'll take that back down to there. And then we'll take that out and put it at 4 degrees C. Then we'll open it up and we'll stop the stopwatch, and we will get 200 microliters of the LB, and we'll put that in there. And we'll close that and we'll give it a bit of a mix, and then we'll put that to cook at 37 degrees. Okay, let's move these to the side a bit. Now let's get some antibiotic plates. This one's got nothing on it, so we'll create that, and let's create one that, and let's open the lid, and let's open here, set a pipette to 70 microliters, and let's take 70 microliters and put it onto this plate. Then let's close the lid and put that to one side. Let's make another plate, which is ampicillin. Let's create that. And again, let's open the lid, let's take up 70 microliters, put that on there, put the pipette back, close the lid, put that over there. Let's make a new plate of chloramphenicol. Let's open the lid, suck up, put out, put the pipette back, put the lid back, and finally let's do kanamycin, and let's open the lid, pipette up, and pipette out. Now we might as well get rid of that, put the lid back on. And now let's put these in the oven. So let's put them in the oven by clicking on this little thing here, and you'll notice they go over to the oven. And let's now reset our stopwatch, and let's take the time up a bit to something a lot faster. So let's grow these up. So it's been 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. I think doing this for about 10 hours should be about right. So we'll just take them out of the oven now, see what we've got. So let's have a look. So let's have a look at each of these. So to have a look at them, we can click on this camera icon. Nothing growing there. Have a look at that one. Nothing growing there. Have a look at that one. We've got some colonies. Take the lid off and have a closer look at how many colonies we've got. And we can have a look at the one with nothing. So again, take the lid off, and you could count those if you wanted. Alright, so that's basically it. You do have the ability to make more plates, so if you wanted to make like 6 Kanamycin plates, you can. You can then take them off the rack by doing that, and you can put them back on the rack by doing that. That's sort of about it, really. Okay.